How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set geometry dash settings like a pro player. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is to just hit on the options button. It's going to work for all of the devices out there. And simply once inside, you want to click on the options button. Now, if you're practicing like basically pro player, you could enable the auto retry option right here. So the game will automatically retry after each fails. And if you want to go ahead and do this even faster, you could also enable the faster reset, which is going to be this one. So instead of 1 second as a cooldown, it sets it at 0.5 seconds. And if you're using a monitor below 240 Hz, I suggest also turning on the click on steps option. Basically, it allows you to click on every step regardless of your refresh rate. And once again, this is beneficial for users below 240 Hz or refresh rate. Also on this page, you want to click on graphics. Let's click on advanced, and you want to make sure that you are using smooth FPS, unlock FPS, and you could just set it into something like 200 so your FPS or your game will operate at a high FPS as much as possible. Let's click on apply, and right after, if you're struggling performance with your game, you could also try lowering down the texture quality if you need to. And basically from there, you're good to go. There's not much setting to edit in Geometry Dash. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.